turning a slab by hand in preparation for slab building. Whether you will be building with soft slab or stiff slab, we always start with fresh clay, either really well wedged plastic clay or fresh out of the bag clay. And here I'm going to cut about 4 inches off of a 25-pound bag of clay and put the rest aside. And then I'm going to begin by using the heels of my hands one on top of the other, to push the clay flat from the inside out, turning it frequently. I don't want to go all the way to the edge. I want a nice even slab, so I'm starting at the center and pushing it out. Every time I turn it over, I could give it a little quarter turn as well, so I'm pushing evenly on all areas. Once I've gotten the particle moving, I can start throwing the slab. You can either throw the slab towards you or away from you. Here you'll see I'm throwing it towards me, allowing the clay to kind of catch on the canvas surface and stretch. After throwing it about 4 or 5 times, I have it to approaching the adequate thickness. I'm going to continue compressing and turning the slab, which will thin it a little bit, and I can go with the rolling pin to thin it even more. So this method of turning and compressing the slab removes any texture from the canvas and also strengthens the particle, which was previously stretched and not really compressed. So in preparation for hand building with slabs, we always turn and compress frequently. The frequent turning and compressing also allows the moisture to evaporate evenly from both sides of the slab. I always remove the plastic clay that's still usable, that may be a little ragged around the edges, put that back in my bag for use, and then check to see that the thickness of my slab is approaching what I need for building. And here it's still a little thick, so I go to my rolling pin and rotating the rolling pin and rolling from the inside to the outer edge without going all the way off the edge. I make it the perfect thickness, and now I'm going to turn it and compress it frequently until it is the dryness I need, the stiffness I need for building the appropriate object. So soft slab wants to rest for about an hour or so, stiff slab much longer, turning and compressing frequently.